Hey guys, so what am I working on now? Well, I got this Dodge Challenger. I made another video about a battery drain draw issue. But what I wanted to show you was adjusting a door latch on one of these, and hopefully this works. It used to work. Let's see if it works still. Try to open up the door from the outside and you really got to struggle with it. Sometimes you got to grab the handle and pull up real hard and fast to make the door open. Let me show you. So here's the door. Won't open. So now, I'm going to try it from the inside. Door opens. Close it. Sometimes if you just whip it quick, there it goes, see? It'll work. Okay, so what do? It's slightly out of adjustment. And I want to show you, not all vehicles have this. I know some Dodges do. I have seen other vehicles with it. I think Toyotas might have done this. But if you look down here, you see it's got this rubber plug right here. Pull the plug out. And if you look inside, you'll see an Allen key right there. Now, most of the time, what you do is you just loosen the Allen key, and the door itself, the mechanism itself, will actually relax and sit in its neutral position. Like over time, stuff gets bent or twisted or whatever, and it kind of falls out of it. So a lot of times, just loosening that up and then retightening it will actually straighten it out. So let's try that. Okay, I'm going to show you something even more interesting. That set screw is loose. It's loose, so that would explain that. So let me tighten that up. Let me put this back onto a ratchet. Hang on a second. So now, let's tighten that up. Now, just so you can see, that's an Allen key. However, I'm using a Torx. The reason being is because I happen to have a Torx right here. Some Torxes will work and some Allens. So, now let's see, how does it open? It opens fine. Now that it actually is working the way it's supposed to, I'm going to loosen it up one more time and then retighten it. Try it like that. Yeah, it works fine. I mean, that's pretty darn simple. I mean, you could do that in your driveway with no issues. I mean, it takes you 10 seconds. Like I said, older Chryslers, some Toyotas. I know there's other models out there, but like I said, a lot of times, over time, for some reason, trying to open them from the outside handle becomes a problem. If you have a problem like that, and you see you have a rubber plug, pull the plug. See if you can see some kind of a set screw, Allen head, just a regular bolt, whatever, even a Phillips head. And try that. Loosen it up with the door in a relaxed position, with the handles in a relaxed position. Loosen it up, tighten it back up, and then try it. Like I said, you'd be surprised at what you can do. So, anyway, that's it. Hope you got something out of that. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.